Hello everyone. Two people have been arrested in connection with the Facebook rapist and murderer Thabo Bester's prison break. On Monday, police confirmed that they had arrested a 39-year-old former G4S employee and a 65-year-old man from Port Edward in KwaZulu-Natal. The two are expected to appear in the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court today. The multidisciplinary team investigating Bester's escape from the Mangaung Correctional Center arrested the duo over the past weekend. The former G4S employee was arrested at his residence in Bloemfontein on Saturday, 8 April, while the 65-year-old was arrested on Friday, 7 April, at his home in Port Edward. The G4S is the security company contracted to manage Mangaung Correctional Center, where Bester was incarcerated. Ground Up Group reported that he escaped on 3 May in a ruse which involved his prison cell going up in flames. The body was found after the fire, but it has emerged that it was a DK. The identity of the body has not been made public yet. The duo that was arrested have been charged with aiding and abetting a convicted prisoner to escape from lawful custody. The National Police Commissioner General Fanny Masemula welcomed the latest arrest and said that more could be rolled out. What's your take on this one, people? Please subscribe for more news.